Hello friends, my name is Ayush
And my name is Yugal.
and today we are going to tell you about this song which you are hearing in the background.
गोरी चिड़ैया नन्ही सी चिड़िया अंगना में फिर आ जा रे.
So, first, my decoding. Decode this song that you are listening in the background. So, first thing that O Chiraiya, the Ori Chiraiya, the singer is trying to say how the girls are being suffered by the boys, the society. Like there is a girl who left everyone. Like she used to think that no one is thinking about her, no one cares about her. So she thought that I should leave that place, I should leave anyone and I should die. She thought that. But the people, the good people in that community, in the society, there are some good people. Everyone is not like equal, everyone is not bad. There are some good people. That's the person is singing the song in the background. Yes, he's trying to say, come back, come back. He's trying to say the girl come back, but she could not, because when we would leave a person, when the person would leave us, so she cannot come.
So now there is also another meaning of this same song. So in this song, the singer is trying to convey this to the girl that come back to us. All the people are not the same like us. If there are few rotten apples, there are good apples, good taste apple in this world also. So like this only in the society, if there are few bad people, there are good people in the majority also. So this is for today. Thank you. I hope you liked it. Bye
Like,
bye.
share, subscribe. Thank you.